When you first log in to Evolve, you'll come to pretty much a blank screen, and it should look something like this. And you'll see on your left-hand menu, you've got course tools, and on the right, you have a add content option. And this is the option you're going to use to really be adding just about everything. There's a number of different choices. We'll go through these choices in the tutorials that follow. One of the basic choices is a folder, and this allows you to really organize your content. Most instructors will organize their modules into folders or their weeks into folders. So right now we're going to call this module 1, and we're going to save that, and we'll go ahead and create a second folder, and we're going to call this one products. And the products folder we're going to use to organize the content that we're going to import from Elsevier. Now, as you can see, you can set each one of these folders to be visible to all students or just to you. And you could also set due dates on just about everything and make certain things graded. We'll talk about the graded assignments and other graded items and the due dates a little bit later in a different tutorial. So we'll go ahead and save that. And to move things around, just drag and drop them. Now, what we'll want to do is let's go ahead and import some content into this course. So simply click on Import, then click on Browse. And it usually takes a moment. What you want to do is click these plus signs, and that'll give you a drop-down menu. There is typically a little bit of lag, but there we go. And we're going to go ahead and import SimChart into this course. And we're going to add it to our products folder. We're going to copy the items, click OK, and this will take a good 10 to 20 minutes sometimes, depending on the size of the product that you're moving. In this case, it was very fast, which was surprising. It's not normally that quick. If you look, you can expand that, and it looks like everything was copied over. And we'll go ahead and use some of these items in another tutorial that will follow.